Okay, so good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on wherever you're joining this live broadcast from. You guys already know the name is Adetola Freeman, and this is our NFP live trading session. All right, this is our NFP live trading session, and the truth is, this is going to be one really interesting NFP. Right, the reason why is because if you look at the DXY chart that I have on my screen right now, which is the chart of the US dollar index, all right, you would see that currently price is around this resistance level, all right, this resistance level on the weekly time frame, okay. Then at the same time, if you also check, you'll see there's a sort of trend line correspondence around here, right? And at the same time, if you also check with the Fibonacci retracement tool, you would also see that this is around the 76% of the Fibonacci retracement. All right, so that's the 76% of the Fibonacci retracement. So what does all of this mean for us? All right, or what was the implication of this? All right, the implication of this definitely is that we are expecting the dollar to be weaker, all right, because it's at a critical zone. All right. Typically, what we could have could be price, coming this way. All right. I think I'm spotting and yep. So that means that it's very possible that dollar gets weaker. All right. At least that's my sentiment. And if the dollar is going to get weaker, it simply means that commodities like gold, EU, GU, AU should be expected to buy. All right. Buy heavily for that matter. Okay. However, and this is where it's important to accept or take caution because of the fact that there's a lot of volatility um surrounding the US elections coming up in a few weeks, I think next week. All right, because of that, to a large extent the market is going to misbehave. All right, so for today's NFP, it is very possible that we get to see a whipsaw, all right, before price finally begins to buy. All right, it's very possible that we get a whipsaw before price begins to buy. And this is my introduction to you guys today for this November market review session. Are you guys excited? If you are, please drop emojis in the comment section. Let me know that you guys are excited and you are so pumped, all right, as pumped as I am to go on with this particular live session. Let me see how pumped you guys are. Let me see how pumped you guys are. Keep the emojis coming, guys. Keep the emojis coming, guys. Woo! And it's also amazing that this month happens to be my birth month. All right, so I'm going to be having my birthday um, on the 27th of November. On the 27th of November, please trust me, there will be no refreshments, no parties, no parties whatsoever. Because of course, you guys already know by now, I'm not a very particular guy. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm trying to set up something that would help us all. I'm trying to post the rules for today's trading, all right, so that instead of me having to, go over them again and again, you guys can just easily access them. Um, for those who join the streams after we've started, okay? I put it. Hold on, I'm coming. I'm trying to put the rules on the screen so that. Okay, I think we can work with this. Okay. All right. So this works. This works. This works. This works. So for those of you asking whether to buy or sell gold, can you please just chill? All right. I'm here for you guys and I'm not running. I'm not going anywhere. All right. So those are the rules for NFP trading. All right. You already have them on the screen. Thank you so much, Tojuku. Yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for wishing me happy birthday in advance. Yeah, it's actually remarkable here for me because I'm going to be plus 1 years old. A big deal. All right, so this is our analysis on DXY, which is the US dollar index. All right, we're expecting from the weekly time frame that price goes bearish. All right, that's the expectation. So with that in mind, we come over to talk about Euro USD, GU, gold, and the likes. All right, so Euro USD 1 hour time frame. I've told you how we do it. All right, first thing we want to do is locate a range. All right, I want to locate a trading range and then trade the breakout of that trading range. Timothy Cherechi, you don't have to be excited yet. To me, I'm excited. I am excited to trade NFP. I am excited. Feel free to complete. All right, so we're looking to buy. Ordinarily, I would say, okay, let's do. It's two lows. Okay, so typically what we're going to be doing right now for Euro USD is we're going to be placing our buy stop, sell stop. All right, we're going to be doing buy stop, sell stop, but because we already checked DXY, all right, and our sentiment is bullish, but with a touch of you know, with a touch of whipsaw. This on the 1 hour is the nearest demand zone. So for our sell trades, we're going to be trying to do from here to here. All right, that would be TP1. This would be 2, 3 for the sell trades. All right, then for the buy trades, if we're buying from here, all right, I want to put our first TP here, second TP here. All right, and our final buy TP somewhere around here. Okay, so let me quickly have that on the screen. So our buy stop is set at 1.08, 1.08932. All right, 1.08932. Then we have our sell stop at 1.08422. All right, buy stop, sell stop. All right, Olushola Ibitoye, I'm guessing this is your first time on this call. All right, I'm guessing this is your first time on this call. So let me explain what we do on this session, all right, which is the NFP live market trading. We know that basically what price will do whenever there's high volatility is that it is going to go one direction or the other. All right, so it's either a buy or a sell. All right, and it's actually called the Straddle trading strategy. So since we know that it's either going to be a buy or a sell, what we typically do is that we look for, you know, ranges that price has to break to confirm the buy or the sell. All right, Smart Farm, thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you. So what we want to do, like I've said, all right, we checked on DXY. On the weekly time frame, we saw that the dollar is supposed to get weaker, all right, from the weekly time frame. But nonetheless, like I said, we might get to see a whipsaw before price begins to move in the actual direction. Do you understand now? So that's why for me, all right, I want to see price break out of this range because this is the current range on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so when price breaks out of the range, out of the consolidation on the 1 hour time frame, that's when we can say we've confirmed the direction. All right, and that's typically the reason why we're placing our buy stop, sell stops, around those regions. That's why we're placing our buy stop, sell stops around the regions that are very close to the break of structure. So if price breaks above this region, all right, it's a confirmation of a bullish sentiment, all right, and then it will trigger our buy stop. If price breaks below this range, all right, it would trigger our sell stop because that's confirmation of a bearish sentiment because price already broke below this supply zone. Do you guys get it now? So that is for Euro USD. Remember, the name of the strategy is Straddle Trading Strategy. All right, Straddle Trading Strategy. Alternatively, since we talked about it being a buy, you guys can just place the buy stops. All right, leave out the sell stop. But I want us to be on the safer side. Remember also on the rules, all right, you are only to fund amounts you're willing to lose for NFP trading. If you have $100 in your account and you are only willing to lose $20, then right now go to your wallet and move out $80 from that from your trading account. All right, move $80 out of your trading account to your wallet. All right, so that you leave the $20 on your trading account because that's how much you're willing to lose. All right, so do not leave any amount you are not willing to lose in your trading account right now. Are we clear on that? Then 2, stop losses will not work. Stop losses will not work. All right, stop losses will definitely not work, so don't bother yourself about it. You get it now? Then number 3, apply trailing stops to your entries. So when you place your buy stop, you place your sell stop orders. All right, let me give an example. Say I place my buy stop order here. All right, that's my buy stop order. Let me come and trace it. This is it, Euro USD. This is my buy stop order on Euro USD. All right, this is my buy stop order on Euro USD. All right, so what I simply do, I right click on it and then I come to trailing stop. All right, and on the trailing stop, I can select a custom point. So in this case, I want to trail by 2 pips. All right, I want to trail by 2 pips. So I'm just going to click on 2 pips. Yes, Miss Rosemary, a small account can do this. However, just make sure that the amount in the small account is an amount that you are comfortable risking, all right, or comfortable losing completely. All right. So once you do that, your trailing stop is going to preserve your account a bit. All right, since it's going to be following after the market as against the regular stop loss. All right, so those are the three major rules for trading NFP with me on this call. All right, MIC 144, I already explained. All right, I've done my analysis on DXY. I've shown you guys my sentiment, and I'm telling you that based on that, I have an expectation. All right, so if you're not comfortable trading straddle, please do not bother yourself placing the trades. All right, I'm not here at this point in my journey to convince you people that I know what I'm doing. All right, there are people who have been on these calls, who have joined me on NFP trades for the past almost 3 years now, all right, who have joined me every single NFP and CPI for almost 3 years now. All right, so if you're not comfortable taking the trade the way I've shown you, then please preserve your account, keep your money. It's fine. Just join us. Let's have fun. Let's catch some cruise together. All right. So this is GBPUSD. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Oladipo Samuel. Sunday Femi. God bless you. Thank you. All right. So this is 1 hour time frame on GBPUSD, but I have a problem. And the reason why I said I have a problem on GBPUSD is because currently on GBPUSD, the range is not close. All right, the range is very, very wide apart. This was my analysis on DXY for the weekly time frame. So I didn't say that DXY is going to buy. All right. And by the way, I'm not telling you to go take a trade or not. So if you're not comfortable taking the trade, please just relax. All right. Please relax. We're here to make money. So what I'm going to do in this case is that I'm just going to find my range using this Fibonacci retracement tool. Great. So we're around the 50% right now. All right. So I think we'll use that as our range. All right. Buy stop. TP1, TP2, TP3. Sell stop. TP1, TP2, TP3. All right. Let's see how that goes. Uh-oh. Buy stop is at 1.10468. All right, then sell stop. Sell stop is at 1.28960. All right, so those are our entries for GBPUSD. All right, so whichever of that gets tagged in. John Williams, thank you so much. Tobiloba Gabriel Akonji, thank you. The volume and the margin, that's up to you, bro. You are the sole determinant of how much you're willing to risk. Samuel and Gaira, thank you so much. Please do not put $1,000 in a trading account for NFP if you are not willing to lose the entire $1,000. All right? If $100 is the only amount you're willing to risk for NFP, please make sure that you only have that amount in your trading account right now. All right? Please make sure that that's the only amount in your trading account right now. Do not allocate balance based on lot size or whatever. All right? Please don't. Amen? All right. All the best. All right. So that's GU. 10 more minutes. So let's quickly take a look at AU. Then we'll do gold. You have captured. All right, AUDUSD, I think we have a clear range here. I think we can do buy stop here, TP1, 2, TP3, sell stop here, TP1, TP2, 3. All right, let's do that. Buy stop was the figure. Buy stop 0.65995. 0.65995. All right, that's our buy stop. Then for sell stop, we have 0.65367. On AUDUSD. Josh Williams, thank you so much. Who else is that? Joshua Pezzulo, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. If DXY is selling, gold will buy. But if DXY is buying, gold is expected to sell. However, fundamentals also affect things. All right, fundamentals also affect things. Talent Orb Engineers, if $20 is what you're willing to risk, make sure that that is the only amount in your MetaTrader account right now. All right, make sure that's the only amount in your MetaTrader account right now. And for lot size, you can use 0.02. Make sure your leverage is 1:200 or 1:500, all right, so that you'll be able to use 0.02. Lucindo Zotieni, you just got in. What's going on? We're trading NFP. You can join us. Just watch, all right? Just watch, all right? And enjoy yourself. Franklin Imobiki, thank you so much. George Staminos. Well, we trade Straddle, all right? So we literally just place buy and sell stop orders on either side of the chart. All right, so this is gold, the elephant in the room that all of you guys have been going crazy about. Get me so crazy, crazy right now. And now. That young man risking $20, please do not move near gold. In fact, I'm not telling you, I'm warning you. Do not move near gold. Don't say you wanted to quickly make money. Oh, please don't try it. Okay. These are buy stop, TP1, TP2, TP3, sell stop, TP1, TP2. All right, hold on. I have some bit of technical issues with my light here. Okay, it's back, it's back, it's back. I'm back, I'm back. You know it. I'm back. All right. Sorry about that. My light went off for a little bit. You guys should be able to see my black face in a while. Wilson Toby, sorry about that. Okay, so let me just give you the figures. I'm back, I'm back. You know it, I'm back. All right, buy stop 2765.13. Sell stop 2741.67. You have $7 in your account. Should you place, my brother, if you have $7 in your account and your leverage is below 1:500, you will not be able to place any trades. If it's below that, or maybe you'll be able to place one single trade for 0.01. Yeah, 0.01 lot size should be able to take one single trade. Yeah, NFP is in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So this is AUDUSD, all right, the buy stop, sell stop. You can take a screenshot and then just type in the figures at your own convenience. This is gold, all right, buy stop, sell stop. You can just take a screenshot, punch in the figures later. This is GU, all right, we have our buy stop, sell stop figures on the screen. You can take a screenshot, put in the figures later. And then this is Euro USD, buy stop, sell stop. All right, so gold, Euro, EU, GU, gold, and AU. This is gold once again because I know that a lot of you guys are in love with gold. And to be honest, the data is going to be released in 3 minutes. But, let me just quickly tell you guys something interesting about gold. The reason why gold breaks a lot of odds, all right, is because if you've ever been, in a relationship with a odds person, all right, probably a celebrity or someone that is in high demand in the dating pool, all right? Nitro man, if that $200 is not an amount you're willing to lose, if you are not willing to lose the entire $200, please move out any amount you're not willing to lose from your trading account right now. That is an order. All right. Having said that, when you have a significant partner or, someone you're in a relationship with that is also in very high demand in the dating pool, all right, the truth is to a large extent, they are likely going to break your heart when a higher bidder comes in. All right, and that's the crazy thing about gold. The reason why gold keeps breaking hearts left, right, center, all right, is because there are so many people in love with gold. All right, so sometimes gold comes, spends the week at your place, and then, because a higher bidder says, oh, don't worry, I'm going to take you to Venice for a vacation. No, she just has to go with someone who is a bit more promising. All right. All right, Nitro Man, let's do this. 0.2 lot size. Let's do this. So tell me, is it worth crying for? This is NFP, guys. Please, Kido. 2765.13 is the buy stop for gold. Please do not forget to apply your trailing stop. It is on the screen below. Please use a trailing stop. It will secure you even if there's a whipsaw. Please, I'm begging you. Iniobong Awan, thank you for loving my voice. So I'm happily married. And, we don't do Diddy here. All right. Lucasa de Papel, please just watch. You already came in too late. All right. Please just watch. All right. NFP is out and market is moving. Remember, guys, I told you we are going to get a whipsaw. All right. Remember, I told you guys there will be a whipsaw. EU triggered by stop. Let's see. GU also triggered by stop. TP1 already on GU. Let's follow EU too. On my chart here, DXY is falling. All right, it's falling clean. Idogbe Collins, trading the news is very risky. We know that's why we are here. We are risky men. He that feareth risk shall not chop. So says the book of money making 101. All right, for those of you who had very tight trailing stops, all right, you're actually already going to be out in profit on maybe EU already. All right. GU2, all right, you'll probably be out in profit already. Gold has not yet triggered because I deliberately gave it a wide margin. AU has not triggered either. So let's stick with EU and GU. But if you don't have tight trailing stops, all right, you're going to see the market is still going to flow in your direction. Just hold on. Like I said, there was going to be whipsaw, all right? I told you guys that it was going to likely be a whipsaw situation before the market begins to move, all right? So I don't want anybody coming for me and saying, sir, my $16 have good. Sorry. I actually warned you guys in advance that there would be a whipsaw. It's nobody supernatural. All right, let's see. Eddie Williams, GBP, JPY. I'm sorry, it's not part of the commodities that I love to trade for NFP. EU, GU, AU, and gold are the commodities I focus on for NFP. Again, you should let me know. Let me know. Let me see. I've had enough of your funny. I ain't funny. Did you get to give a line to you? This isn't the way out of the should go. Kenton, you blew your account 2 weeks ago, unfortunately. And I'm even seeing that your account has your YouTube has a Chelsea logo. I can imagine. Things happen when everywhere is. You probably started supporting Chelsea because as a trader you were expecting blues all through. Oh boy. Even Chelsea they don't know when last they saw blues. Like play. Trading news is for big men. Retailers shouldn't try it. You are risking enough just by being a trader. Hey, yeah. And that's why when we started the live stream, I did not arrest anybody and say they must trade now. Eh? Like play. I didn't tell them they must trade now. Those that can risk have joined me. And this is something we've been doing for over 2 years, almost 3 years now. So, bro, come on. I would have said just they play, but it would look like like I'm not being nice. But I'm a nice guy, of course. Trust me. I'm nice, pa. Nitro Man said maybe gold forgot to eat. Sorry, bro. I deliberately spread out the entries on gold and AU because I wanted us to be safe. GUTP1, EU, it's triggered, it's in profit. Let's see. DXY is, just dropping. So this is my advice, all right, from those of you who are in profit right now, okay, you can take partials, all right, you can close partials and leave the minimal lot size to run, all right, take partials and leave the minimal lot size to run, and let's see how this plays out in the next maybe couple of minutes. Sinetemba, you decided to stay away from today's NFP. Normal, you're a good boy. Sorry, you're a good man. I don't even know. Are you a he or a she or a them? I just need to be sure. Okay, Oluwaseun Michael said, coming from a Man U fan, what gives you the impression I'm a Man U fan? I do not have a club, bro. And the reason why I don't have a club is so that whenever I want to play against anybody on maybe PES or FIFA, I don't have preference. I can beat anybody with any club. Right? A-Light Wadago, are we buying gold or selling? Sorry, you came late. We've already finished everything we want to do with gold. Post Trade said, and our big men, they trade news. Well, we've been doing this for a while, and I think people have been making some good money over 2 years now. So Normal level now. All right, EU approaching TP1. GU is still hovering around TP1. I think we still have some leeway before markets decides to go on a rampage. Let's see. EU is approaching TP1. In your bong, yes. I thought about doing stand-up comedy before at an early stage of my life. But a lot happened that changed that plan. Kenton, Chelsea is a big team. Obviously, that's why their logo on your DP cannot even stand right. It's so big, the legs can't carry it. Now, why you know if you climb table? Chelsea is so big, he can't even climb the Premier League table. John Eze, you have Kopama. The same one that is in the freezer, or which one? So you guys can see what I said about this NFP, that the volatility is going to be crazy. All right. And that's because to a large extent, a lot of investors are avoiding the markets right now. Anything US related. A lot of major investors are avoiding it because of the forthcoming elections. All right. Because of the forthcoming elections. So that's probably why. Caleb Ogidi, if any Chelsea fan wants to come for me, let them send me their user ID on PS5. Let's do FIFA together. Let them come for me that way. Not be say I go date somewhere now, they buy suya, somebody go come carry bottle, come challenge me. Because Chelsea people don't know more than that. How will the name of your club be beer? And you believe that you people, your club will make it? Sulaiman, are we still holding the buy stop and sell stop on gold? Yes, potentially. All right, but you might want to reduce your trailing stop on gold. Do I know Chelsea's position in the league? You that you are the Chelsea fan, come and brag about your position on the league now. They know they ask first waiting carry. Do you think if Chelsea was first on the league, I would not know where position they are? So you're asking me to go and be Googling Chelsea's position on the league table. Shame on you. All right, Jare, Euro USD TP1. I just hope that my boss is not a Chelsea fan. I cannot go talk, waiting, go carry the cover where they take chop. Well, gold didn't necessarily run to the previous to create an all-time high last week because of the elections. What happened was the fact that I know that you guys heard that Israel struck a couple of places, all right? And because of that, a lot of people who were probably intending to invest in oil, all right, decided to invest in gold rather, all right? So that caused it. Then the coming elections also meant that a lot of people who would have probably been thinking about investing in the US economy, all right, also decided to divert their funds, all right? But when Israel was going to strike, I don't know, I think it was Palestine or Iran, they didn't strike their nuclear reserves or oil or anything. They only went for their military bases, all right? So a lot of investors were able to still establish a bit of confidence in oil and other assets, right, aside gold. So there are a lot of fundamental factors that also influence the things that you see regarding pricing on gold, all right? So it's not just one factor. And I think that you guys need to be aware of that already. All right, GUTP1, EUTP1. If you've made any money, please let me know in the chat box. If you're currently in profit, please let me know in the chat box. All right, if you're currently in profit. Kenton. So now you admit that I win, Abi. Thank you. And you go chop man, you. That's your business. That's your. John Eze, if only prop firms allowed news trading, you for don't pass phase one. Hey, And well, they say the patient dog is the fattest bone. The time has come, oh, manifest. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Let me know if you guys have made money. All right, Peter has made money. Lovely, 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 lovely. Who else is making money right now? Who else is making money? Tell me what. Wilson Toby, like I said, if you're on EU and GU, take partials. All right, leave a little bit in place to just run to TP. All right, but if you're in profit on EU, GU, take partials, all right, and then leave the rest. Push trades, the market didn't come to your direction. Did I tell you to sell? If you place the buy stop and sell stop the way I said it, you would have actually been triggered in profits on some. Hey, Nitro Man, I think you only place positions on gold. All right, not bad. Senorita, you made money on EU. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Dyers made some money. Just closed this profit right now. Beautiful. In your bond, yes, gold is slow. All right, Shitoluwa, you took your profit already. Beautiful. Wilson Toby, yeah, let's do that. All right, take partials and then leave the rest to run. Don't forget, guys, like the screen, like the screen, like the stream. All right, follow my top gifters. All right, if you made some money, please keep the comments coming. Let me be able to, be sure that you guys are in profit. AUDUSD not activated, yes. So apparently you didn't take the others. All right, that's fine. EUGU, we still most likely hold till TP3, all right, but of course the market is behaving as it would, because like I said, volatility is quite low. All right, you placed only on gold. All right, so let me quickly give this heads up for those of you who are still waiting for gold. All right, ensure that your trailing stop on that gold position is very, very tight. All right, ensure you use very tight trailing stops on your gold entries because there's a lot of things that gold might want to do, all right, to kick out small investors so that they can make room for, the corporate investors starting from next week. People who are already going to be coming into the market to position for the rest of the month. All right, do you get it? So for those of you who are still holding your buy stop positions, still hold them, but ensure that you tighten your trailing stop. All right, make your trailing stop tighter, maybe 10 pips, 5 pips, all right? Dreamy said he wishes it has bigger lots. Yeah. All right, Flame of Noah, thank you. Congratulations. Opio Pius, yes, gold may not trigger soon, but anyways, I think that it's still altogether going to be bullish because DXY is bearish. We looked at the analysis typically on the weekly time frame. So I think that's just typically what we're expecting. All right, so it's been about 45 minutes on the stream. Some of you have made money, some are still trying to make money. All right, but altogether, I think it's been a fun stream. All right. So, guys, if you've had fun with me on this stream today, whether you made profit or not, can you just drop an emoji in the chat box? All right. I want to quickly just take a census of those, who loved today's stream, who enjoyed today's stream. All right, Nitro Man, what I usually advise is that, say you want to trade multiple commodities, all right, what I would rather do instead of opening on different accounts, all right, would be to just place on 2 or 3 and use a smaller lot size, all right? Use a smaller lot size so that, by the time it triggers, all of your risk in total will now be that $100 or $200. Do you get it? All right, fantastic. Keep the emojis coming. Keep the emojis coming. All right, if you enjoyed today's stream, keep it coming. Thank you so much, Flame of Noir. Thank you so much, Caleb. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you, RDSA. Thank you, Thomas Victor. John Aze, thank you so much. Jessa, thank you. Timothy, thank you. Sinetemba, thank you so much. Tobias, thank you, thank you, thank you. The informative channel, thank you. Yeah. I think we've had a lovely single time. Oh yeah, thank you, Tonga Peter. Every single NFP month is fun with you. Thank you so much. Darius, thank you. So guys, remember, our Telegram channel is still very much open. All right. So for those of you who probably from time to time you need signals, analysis, or you want to just attend a session where you can be able to unmute your mic and ask questions. All right. You want to be able to ask me, your Dogu Forex, the Adetola Freeman. You want to be able to ask me questions directly. All right. Join the Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this live stream. All right. Join the Telegram channel. It's FBS Analytics. And trust me, you guys are going to get some quality value. My streams on the Telegram channel usually occur mostly on Mondays. All right. I think every Monday right now. All right. So I get to analyze the market together with you guys. We don't do straddle when we analyze the market, or we use normal price action. All right. When we do the Monday market analysis. So you might want to join me every Monday on the Telegram group. Click the link, join the Telegram channel, and trust me, you're not going to regret it. All right. So it's on this note, I want to say a big thank you to everyone who has joined me on the live session today. The name remains Adetola Freeman Ogunkunle, and it's been an absolute pleasure being your host. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday in advance. And welcome. Happy new month to you guys. All right. Thank you. God bless you, and have a fantastic rest of the trading week and month. God bless you. Bye-bye.